So we're making candelabras, and at this stage we're just doing the design, and I'm doing two different designs. So I was just showing one earlier, but kind of my inspirations, I was going for a more sleek design instead of going all crazy, which I'll probably do in some aspects of my drawing, but I kind of drew inspiration from Lord of the Rings for some reason. I kind of thought of Eye of Sauron and just did that, and it's kind of working at the moment, so yeah.
I was mainly inspired by abstract shapes and making something that is different while still combining modern and kind of vintage. After finishing the course, I plan on expanding my product design skills, as I'm kind of interested into getting into something like that in the future, and use this as work experience for the future.
My inspiration for this design was to make it all geometric and robust, to differentiate it to most candelabras, having it all straight and with geometric shapes in it. Personally, I feel like it's what I like and what I would want my candelabra to look like.
So I wanted to focus on natural shapes with curves, because I really like curved things like furniture and stuff. So yeah, I wanted to implement that into my work, but I also wanted to add some angles, so I decided to incorporate two of my ideas into one, so when you turn it, it looks like two different designs.
Enter spacebar, or the way I've got my CAD set up, right click on the mouse to confirm. I'm very much a right click guy, so we're now into the polyline command. So the next one is your first shape, which would be a circle or a rectangle. Which one should we go for first?
Circle.
Circle, right, circle, okay. And then go to circle. I'm in the circle mode, simply left click, and it's already exited mode for you. You've got your rectangle, all right? That's how the laser will behave if you've got what I'm calling as a broken line or a broken arc. What the guys are currently doing now is working through a short list of basic commands for which there are simple keyboard shortcuts. There is the option of clicking on icons and things, which other people might be more used to. It's more traditional. I like to speed things up, which is how I teach people how to use AutoCAD keyboard shortcuts nice and efficient. As I say, they're working their way through these tools in order to allow them to get a basic understanding of CAD, and later on this afternoon, once they've been introduced to how laser cutters perform, depending on how well you've drawn your CAD drawing, we'll take that knowledge combined and then set about drawing up their freehand sketches into a more digital vectorised format. So where could we start? Maybe if you wanted to start drawing in a mirror line, so we could start with the polyline. I sound like I'm speaking Egyptian hieroglyphics or something. I mean, you can call it whatever you want, strawberry chocolate fluffy drops or whatever, but it all helps people if you know what you're talking about. Yeah. Choose where you want to put your
And what does that be?
Still might be a bit too high.
Do you actually?
I've nearly finished one of my first design, so I've been doing half of the outline. I've nearly finished. I just need to mirror it, and then after that I can do the second before we cut. And yeah, it's been going really well. I've done it really quickly, without much struggle.
Oh, it's going good. I just finished up my piece. It's all symmetrical and it's all going to fit all perfectly for the laser twine. So yeah, it's all good.